Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Data Science Genius. This channel for you very helpful for your knowledge in data science course, and today we are going to explore an important topic, statistical data analysis. And we will this lecture learn what is statistical analysis and why use statistical analysis and types of statistical analysis and method of statistical analysis. And first of all, we will discuss what is statistical analysis. Statistical analysis is a critical aspect of data science and research, providing tools and methods to interpret, summarize, and make inference from data. Here's a detailed explanation of what statistical analysis involves, its types, and here are steps typically followed in performing it. And we will discuss what is statistical analysis. Statistical analysis involves the collection, examination, interpretations, presentation, and organization of data. It allows researchers to discern patterns, relationships, and trends within dataset and make informed decisions based on statistical evidence. There are two primary branches of statistical analysis. Statistical analysis is the process of collecting and analyzing data in order to discern patterns and trends. It is a method for removing bias from evaluating data by employing numerical analysis. This technique is useful for collecting the interpretations of research, developing statistical model and planning surveys, and statistical analysis is a scientific tools in AI and ML that helps collect and analyze large amount of data. And then understanding statistical analysis techniques and applications. Statistical analysis is the process of collecting analysis in order to discern patterns and trends. Statistical analysis is scientific tools, artificial intelligence, and machine learning that help collect and analyze large amounts of data to identify common patterns and trends to convert them into meaningful information in simple words. And then we will discuss type of statistical analysis. Given below are the 6 types of statistical analysis. First, descriptive analysis. Second, inferential analysis. And third, predictive analysis, perspective analysis, and exploratory data analysis, and last, causal analysis. And there are two types is basic and important descriptive analysis or inferential analysis. And then we will discuss descriptive analysis. Involves collecting, interpreting, analyzing, and summarizing data to present them in the form of chart, graph, and tables rather than drawing conclusion in simply make the complex data easy to read and understand. Descriptive statistical. This includes method for summarizing the central tendency and distribution of data. Common measure includes then mean, median, mode, standard deviation, change, pie chart, bar chart, standard deviation. All of the descriptive and statistical analysis. Common measure includes mean, the average of a set of numbers; median, the middle value in a data set; the most frequent occurring value in the mode. And then second type of statistical analysis, inferential analysis. Focus on drawing meaningful conclusion on the basis of the data analysis. It studies the relationship between different variables or made predictions from the whole population. Inferential statistical. This include method for making prediction or inference about a population based on sample. Techniques include population sample and the appropriate conclusion regarding the population feature result. And then sample techniques, hypothesis testing, confidence intervals, regression analysis, analysis of variance. Hypothesis testing is an assumption regarding population parameter. Confidence intervals, a range of value likely to contain the population parameter Regression analysis examine the relationship among the variables. Analysis or variations comparing means across multiple groups. And then predictive analysis. Predictive statistical analysis is a type of statistical analysis that analyzes data to drive past trend and predict future event on the basis of them. And then this is use machine learning algorithm, data mining, data modeling, artificial intelligence, conduct the statistical analysis, and perspective analysis, exploratory data analysis, and causal analysis. And then a read step in statistical analysis. First step, define the research questions. Clearly state the problem or questions you aim to answer. And then data collection, gather data using various methods such as surveys, experiments, or secondary data sources. And this step, data cleaning. Data cleaning means remove an inconsistent, error, or missing values of the data to ensure accuracy. And then statistical analysis method. Although there are various methods used to perform data analysis, given below are the 5 most used popular: mean, standard deviation, regressions, hypothesis testings, and sample size of determination. We will learn mean, but is standard deviations. Mean or average mean is one of the most population method of statistical analysis. And statistical analysis example. Look at the standard deviation sample calculating given below. To understanding more about statistical analysis, the weight of 5 pizza bases in CMS all as follows: calculate of the mean, all values plus and divided by 5, and then results show the calculate of mean, required mean, deviation, and sample variation. And thank you for watching my video, and please don't forget subscribe, like, and share more informative knowledge in next video. Stay here.